Installation of SAP HANA Express Edition. To install SAP HANA Express Edition, 8 GB of RAM required for database server, 16 GB of RAM for database and Access Advanced application. Recommendation is 24 GB. Java runtime environment for download manager and VM player. To download the installation file, go to the sap.com. A small registration will be required. Accept the license agreement. It will be prompted to download the download manager. I have already downloaded the download manager. To run the download manager, Java runtime environment is required. So install the Java runtime environment also and set the Java home environment variable. To set the Java home environment variable, go to the My Computer, Property, Environment variable and set the Java home environment variable. The path where the Java JRE installed in your system. So once the environment variable is set, we can go and run the download manager. In the download manager we will have an option to install the server only virtual machine and server plus application virtual machine and the other component of the SAP HANA Express Edition. So I have selected the server only virtual machine and I will say download. So once you download, the Express Edition OVA file will be downloaded in your system. The next step is to install the VM player and browse the OVA file and install the OVA file in the VM player. So I have already installed the VM player. Open the virtual machine, which is already downloaded. Set the path where you want to install the SAP HANA virtual machine. Say import. Import will take couple of minutes. So here the import process is completed. Now we'll do the basic setting of virtual machine. So 8 GB of RAM, processor 2, hard disk 68 GB, minimum 60 GB is recommended. Network adapter will keep host only. Okay. Now we will start the virtual machine. So it is asking whether you want to change the keyboard setting. So we say no. We keep the default English US. The next setting is the time zone setting. We will set the time zone. Yes, I will set the time zone. So now we have to put the user ID. For Express Edition, the login ID is XSEADM and the password is XSE HANA 1. This is the user ID. XSEADM password XSE HANA 1. Password XSEADM XSE HANA 1. So it will prompt to change the password. One new password. I'll change the password. It will prompt to change the database password. Proceed for the configuration. Yes. It will take a couple of minutes to install and set all the database configuration. Now it is starting the services. All the database configuration password setting are pre-configured in the package, so it will be installed automatically and reconfigure all the database setting. So here our SAP HANA Express Edition instance is installed. The installation process is completed. We can check the installation. HTTP info command is used to look at the processes, the component SAP HANA Express Edition component. So here we can see that HDB name server installed, HDB compile server, HDB index server, BI server. So all the components related to SAP HANA Express have been installed and the installation is complete. You can check the guest IP address by using this command. We can go to the host operating system in the command prompt. We can ping the guest IP address. So this is the guest IP address. So it is pinging. So our host and guest are connected. One more setting we can do in the host system, host Windows system. We need to set the IP address in the host file of the host system. So C Windows system driver etc host. So here we can set the IP address of the guest system 192.168.36 HSC host. Now we can finally test whether everything is installed properly. We can go to the browser, HSC host. The instance is 8090. So here we go. Access engine up and running.